So I'm finishing the outside of the neck first, getting it to the shape I want, and at that point I will finish the inside, get it to also to the shape I want, but also to the final thickness. So now it's on to the inside. I'm using a combination of both my traditional gouge and my easy wood tools. Given both the depth of the neck and the shape of the neck, using a traditional gouge to get on the inside where it's back cut is very, very difficult, albeit impossible, and that's why I use the Carbide tools. I'm using the gooseneck tool to smooth out the transition between the vase and the